Hi, my name is Tamala Sanchez. I am a realtor here in Portland, Oregon. I specialize in selling short sale listings. I work with homeowners that are behind in their house payments or on the foreclosure list and soon to be foreclosed upon. I have a proven system that helps the homeowners sell their property and avoid the foreclosure. I have a packet that I have my sellers fill out. It's a financial packet. List the property, submit the listing paperwork and the financial packet to their lender or lendors, which 9 times out of 10 will help me be able to stop or postpone the foreclosure date. We list the property at the current market value. When an offer comes in, an offer is submitted to the title company. I receive a HUD-1. I submit the offer, the HUD-1, and any updated financial package to their lender or lendors and start the negotiation proceedings. Then the lender orders an appraisal to be done. If they have any doubt about the price, they can do a counter offer, which the seller negotiates with the buyer to come up to the offer that the bank wants. This is a very easy procedure for me to do because I do it on a daily basis, where it's very stressful for the homeowner. And my job is to make it as less stressful as possible for my sellers. If you need my information or you have questions you'd like to ask me, please call me directly at 503-515-5779. I'd be happy to help you, or maybe somebody that you know that's going through this right now. I'd be happy to meet with them over a cup of coffee and explain their options to them. Take care and have a good day.